In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Elementor. If you've ever found yourself wanting to go back a step or two while designing your website with Elementor, you're in the right place. Understanding how to efficiently use the undo feature can save you not only time but also a lot of frustration. So let's dive right in. First, it's important to know that Elementor has a built-in revision and history system. This allows you to track and manage changes easily. When you're deep in the creative flow, you might not notice mistakes right away, so having the ability to trace your steps backward can be incredibly useful. To access the history panel, look towards the bottom of the Elementor panel on the left-hand side of your editor. There, you'll notice an icon that looks like a tiny clock. That's your history button. Give it a click. This will bring up your history panel, which is essentially a list of all the actions you've taken during your current editing session. Now, let's say you want to undo your last action. Simply look at the top portion of the history panel where it lists actions. The most recent step is always shown at the top, and from here, you can scroll through the list of actions. Find the point where you want to revert to, and just click on that step. Elementor will then roll back your design to the state it was at that exact step. But what if you want to go even further back? Well, beneath the Actions list, you'll find something called Revisions. This is a lifesaver when you want to restore your design to a previous version, especially if it's been a few sessions since the change. Revisions are automatically saved in Elementor every time you hit the Update button on your page. Select the revision you want. Each revision is conveniently time-stamped so you can easily pinpoint when you made specific changes. It's also worth noting that while these tools are incredibly useful, keeping a personal backup of your page is never a bad idea. Sometimes reverting through actions and revisions might not bring back that one tiny change you're trying to retrieve. To avoid this, make it a habit to save versions manually when you've made a substantial amount of progress. To wrap up, mastering these undo and revision features can transform your editing experience. It gives you the freedom to experiment and the confidence to know you can always revert if something doesn't quite go as planned. So go ahead, explore, create, and never worry about making a mistake again because Elementor's got you covered. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!